Viewers, let us begin mid-chapter checkpoint, right? Today's date, 28th Feb. And then we'll start with the first one. Dash has a value that determines the value of another quantity. Which is responsible to know the value of another quantity? What is the main responsible? Which is independent variable. Write down there, independent variable. Second one, write down dependent variable. Now, Marco spends a total of $D. What is changing? What is changing? It is independent. It's your wish. See, he spends $D. Do you know how much he spends? He can spend 10, he can spend 20, he can spend 100. It's up to Marco. So $D is independent. Guessed. Okay. 1 minute, girls. 1 minute. He spent $D on G guest. Guests can be as much as he wants, and dollars, 1 minute. Dollars can be, so this is dependent. This is dependent because I did not read the first, the whole question. Marcus spent a total of $D. He have $25 total. Okay, imagine. And he orders a postage to mail party of invitation to each guest. I don't know how many guests are there, but at least I know that $D are there. So here it's a bit confusing because they must have given you the dollars. D is the dependent and G is the independent. Sophie has a doll collection with 36 dolls. You know that the dolls are so in number. So 36 dolls. She decided to sell S dolls and has R dolls remaining. So R is, I don't know how much she will sell, but I know how much is remaining. Later on, in 36 dolls, finished?
Yes, miss. Yes.
Okay, girls, try to do this now. Question 5 and question 6 by your own. Girls, do you know how to do this? Do you know how to do this, girls? Write an equation for the relationship. How to write an equation? 6 and 42. What is the relation between 6 times what gives you 42? Tell me, 6 times what gives you?
7.
So let me try times 7 times 7 times 7. 8 times 7, 56, correct. 9 times 7, 63, correct. So 7 times 7
49.
times 7 equals 49. Yes, very good. So here I need to write 49. And then what is the relation? It has to be 7x. 7x equal y. So when x, if it is 7, so y equal 49. So y equal 49. when you put x equals 7, so you have to do 7 times 7, that is 49. So y equals 49. Understood?
Yeah.
Now see, when do you get 4? 20, what do you divide 20 to get 4? 5. Okay, 5. Same way, 5. And same way, 5. Now check what will be this answer. And what will be the relationship? Are you doing it? Sixth one, who will say me? Ghalia, what is the relation between x and y? If x is 20, I have to divide with 5. X over 5. If I divide x with 5, I get my y. Now, similarly, they have put a question mark here. So what is the answer? So if I put x equals 60, that is 60 over 5. What is 60 over 5? 12.
Miss, now I'm doing it. 12. Okay, if you all have finished this, I'll go to question 7. Yeah, Miss Samantha.
The table shows how the number of pepperoni slices used depends on the number of pizza made. Write the equation. Now, Sami, Vatin, 2 and 34. What do you think? 2 and 34. When do you get 34? Let us divide and check. 2 times 17. 2 times
17.
3 times 17. 5 times 17.
9, 10, 17. So what is the relation? This is x. So what is the relation? X I have to multiply with x 17 gives me y. So that is 17x equals y. Three and 8, they don't come in any timetable, so I have to add and check. 3 plus what gives me 8? 5. So again, I'll check with all. Yes, good. Yes. And okay, so what is the relation? Ghalia, say me the relation.
What?
Say me the relation between W and M.
8,
W, if I plus what?
5,
Plus 5. So I get my M. If W, here, W, 3, 5, 8, 12, if all the W's I'm adding to 5, so I'm getting the answer as M. So I wrote this.
done.
Okay. Come on, girls. These are not exactly the one which we've done. Come on, read it out.
Start with it out.
Read it out.
Okay. Me, miss? Okay. The band has a total of 152 members. Some of the members are in the marching band, and the rest are in this concert band. Write the equation that models how many marching band members, and if there are C concert band members.
Okay, so the band has a total number of 152 members. Okay. One of the members are in the marching band. Let us see. This is a band. Total, you have 152 members. Some are in the marching band. Let's start concert band. Concert. How many marching band members there are if there are C concert members? I think we can just write the equation as M plus C equals 152. And they ask you how many marching band members. So M will be, you have to 152, thus plus C will become minus. These are the marching band members. Did you understand what I did? Said in the question, the marching band members and the concert members will be 152 total. And they ask us to find M. M will be 152 minus 3. Anyway, they did not give you how many concert members were there. So this is the equation you can write. Write down the equation. Wait a minute, let me just erase this. Go to another page. M plus marching band plus concert band equals how much? That is 152, if I'm not wrong. Marching band will be 152 minus C, whatever C denominator.
I'm done, Miss. I'm done.
Next, Ghalia, please follow the question.
A coach is ordering baseball jersey from a website. A jersey costs 15 each, and shipping is 18 per order. Write an equation that can be used to determine the total cost Y in dollars, X for X in jersey.
Can you try this? A coach is ordering, okay, a baseball jerseys for a website. Jerseys cost $15 each, okay? See, $15 for one jersey, okay?
Okay.
And also you have, I don't know how many jerseys are there. Maybe X jerseys, and he has $15 for X jerseys. I don't know how many jerseys are there. Plus he has to pay $8 for shipping. And this all is nothing but the cost. Why? Again,
Okay.
Alia, I have to buy some jerseys. I don't know, 10 or 20 or anything. X, they said X here. And one is for 15. So X is for X multiplied by 15. Plus, for everything I need to pay plus $8 for shipping. So that is nothing but the total cost. That is one. Okay. Amy volunteers at an animal shelter. She worked 10 hours in March 12 hours in April, and 14 hours in May, and 16 hours in June. Let me add all. "52 hours total she worked." If the pattern continues, +2, +2, +2, see, do you see that? From starting from March, it's only +2. So the first month, the third month, do you understand this? 10 plus 12. So now after June, what comes? July, August, September, October, November, December. So +2 after 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, and 30. 28. So I think in December it's 28. In December it is 28. Do you understand the question, girls? Like every month it is increasing by 2 hours. Every month she increases her thing by 2 hours. So in December it will be 28 hours. March 10, April 12, that is +2. +2, May 14, June 16, July 18, like that. So December it's 28. Okay, girls? That's it for today. And see you in the science class.